So much messy information. Whoa.
Meet Castor. Your documents have the data. Your model has a geometry, but they never talk to each other. Castor bridges that gap. Every project starts the same way. IFC models, disconnected documents, no single version anyone can trust which one is current. Castor is the investigator working for you. He reads your documents, searches for the answers, and writes them directly into the model, so you don't have to. Because the I in BIM isn't just information, it's intelligence. Castor, your single source of truth.